In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image on signature in Gmail. First, open Gmail. You will see your inbox with all your emails listed. This is the starting point for making adjustments to your email signature. Getting to this step is crucial because you need access to your Gmail account to modify your settings. Once you're in your inbox, you'll be ready to customize your signature with an image. This personalization can make your emails more engaging and professional. Next, click the settings icon located in the top right corner of the Gmail interface. It looks like a small gear. When you click on this icon, a drop-down menu will appear. This step is important as it gives you access to all the settings you need to make changes. Finding this gear icon is straightforward, and it's a gateway to a variety of customization options within Gmail. From there, click on the option that says See All Settings. This will take you to a new screen filled with various tabs and options. You will see several tabs at the top, such as General, Labels, and Accounts. This step is significant because it allows you to delve deeper into the Settings menu where you can manage your signatures and other preferences. Now, under the General tab, scroll down until you find the Signature section. This section is where you will add or edit your email signature. You might notice there are options to create a new signature or modify an existing one. This step is essential because it's where the personalization of your emails begins. Create a new signature or select an existing one. If you choose to create a new signature, you can give it a name that reflects its purpose. If you are modifying an existing signature, make sure it is the correct one you want to edit. This choice matters because having the right signature can help maintain a consistent and professional appearance in your emails. Place your cursor where you want the image to appear in the signature. This action is simple but crucial as it determines the exact location of the image in your signature. Positioning this correctly will ensure that your signature looks organized and visually appealing. Once you have your cursor in the right spot, you're ready for the next step. Now, click the Insert Image icon in the signature editor. This icon usually looks like a small picture or landscape. When you click this, a menu will pop up, allowing you to choose how you want to insert your image. This is a key step because it opens the door to various image sources, giving you flexibility in how your signature looks. Choose one of the image sources. You can select from Upload, Web Address, or My Drive. If you choose Upload, you can select an image directly from your computer. If you opt for Web Address, you'll need to enter the direct URL of an image. Alternatively, selecting My Drive allows you to choose an image stored in your Google Drive. This flexibility is important because it allows you to use images from multiple sources, enhancing your signature's uniqueness. Once you have selected the image, click Select. This action confirms your choice and brings the image into your signature editor. It is important to ensure that the image is the right one because this will represent you in your email communications. Click the image to choose its size. You will see options for small, medium, or large. Selecting the appropriate size is crucial because it affects how the image fits within your signature, ensuring it looks balanced and professional. Adjusting the size will help maintain clarity and visual appeal when your emails are viewed by recipients. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This action finalizes all your adjustments and ensures that your new signature is saved. It's a critical step because it confirms that everything you've set up will now be included in your outgoing emails. You will see a confirmation appear, giving you peace of mind that your signature is ready to go.